Hi everyone, today we're going to take a quiz on shapes, triangles, and quadrilaterals. Let's dive in. Part 1. What am I? Directions. Identify what is being described in each item. I am a three-sided flat polygon. What am I? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I am a triangle. I am a type of triangle. All my angles are less than 90 degrees. What type of triangle am I? 3, 2, 1. I am an acute triangle. Unacute. I am a two-dimensional figure with four straight sides. What am I? 4, 3, 2, 1. I am a quadrilateral. I'm a quadrilateral that has exactly one pair of opposite sides which are parallel. What am I? 2, 1. I am a trapezoid. I am a quadrilateral that has sides with equal lengths. What am I? 3, 2, 1. I am a rhombus. Part 2. Indicate the value of the unknown measurement. An isosceles triangle. What is the missing measurement? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 13 centimeters. The missing value is equal to the left side of the triangle. What is the missing angle? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. All sides are equal. 2, 1. The answer is 16 centimeters. Equilateral triangles have three equal sides. That's so true. Equilateral. What is the missing angle? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 90 degrees. Right triangle has one angle. The right triangle has one angle that measures 90 degrees. Let's move on. What is the missing side length? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 17 meters. Opposite sides of a rectangle are always equal. What is the missing side length? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 25 centimeters. All sides of a rhombus are equal. Pretty cool, huh? What is the missing angle? 6, 5, and it's a square. 3, 2, 1. It's 90 degrees. Each angle of a square measures 90 degrees. Good job, triangles lesson recap. A scalene triangle is a triangle where no sides are equal. An isosceles triangle is a triangle with one pair of equal sides. An equilateral triangle is all sides are equal, based on angle measurements. A right triangle is one angle measures 90 degrees. An acute triangle is all angles measure less than 90 degrees. An obtuse triangle is one angle measures more than 90 degrees. It's based on the length of sides. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides. A parallelogram has exactly two pairs of parallel sides, and a rhombus is a parallelogram with equal sides. So it also has two pairs of parallel sides. A rectangle is a parallelogram with 90-degree angles. A square is another parallelogram with equal sides and 90-degree angles. All about shapes. Let's dive in. The first shape is a square. It has four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a circle. It has zero sides. 0. This is a triangle. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. This is a rectangle. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is an oval. It has 0 sides. 0. This is a heart. It also has 0 sides. 0. This is a trapezoid. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a pentagon. It has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a hexagon. It has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is an octagon. It has 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What shapes do you see? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A pentagon, triangle, and a circle. What shapes do you see? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. An octagon, square, and a rectangle. What shapes do you see? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A hexagon, trapezoid, and an oval. What shape is the stop sign? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. An octagon. What shape is a donut? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A circle with a hole in the middle. What shape is the pizza? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A skinny triangle, or just a triangle, just a triangle. What shape is the remote? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A rectangle, or a skinny rectangle. That's funny. What shape is the egg? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. An oval. Well, it's close to an oval. What shape is the stamp? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A square with a little bit of bumpy edges. Quiz. How much sides does a decagon have? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tell me in the comments, and also tell me, what was your favorite shape?